Hey there. 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 If you're going to invest in an all-electric version to do the work for you, you have to invest in special maintenance items too. You don't want to send it to your mom's in your place to help move furniture. She'll feed it her signature chicken paprikash instead of plugging it in when it gets tired and it'll malfunction. Come on, Fleetbot, let's get you back to the service bay. Hey there. Hey there.
Hey there.
Hey there. You've got to admit, electric trucks are cool. Trouble is, like many other exciting new technologies, that initial interest and excitement often gives way to questions of practicality. This would be so cool morphs into, wait, how would this work exactly? From infrastructure to charging necessities, there's a lot to figure out if you're interested in running EVs. One of the items that should be high on your list is how the introduction of these trucks will impact truck service. If you're running your own service shop, you will need to be prepared for an electric truck long before one ever enters your bays. The number one thing to keep in mind when servicing battery, electric, and hydrogen fuel cell trucks is safety, and the regulations in place to keep this top of mind for technicians. Of course, both types of trucks operate with extremely high voltage, and local regulations and building codes are going to vary. If you have questions, give your local fire department a call. They should be able to help. Next, although this isn't a code or rule, it really should be. You should have at least one designated bay for electric vehicle repair. This doesn't mean that the bay needs to only be exclusively used for EV work. Just make sure that when an electric truck does come in for any service, that bay is where it goes. This will help prevent high voltage electrical exposure to untrained technicians or personnel. This bay is also where you will keep all the specialized tools you'll need to work on high voltage vehicles. Charging is, of course, also key, and the appropriate charging equipment should be installed in this bay too. As part of your service routine, the vehicle should leave the bay charged. Also remember to install sensors for detecting leaks and fans that are used to pressurize the bay and to remove gas very quickly. Beyond this basic list, when in doubt, check with your OEM. This technology is still considered brand new and it's just coming to market, so your truck OEM will be your primary source of information and training on their EVs. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.